Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dual valve to door hinge water line in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 7/16" wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the waterline retaining bracket free. Use the 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the dispenser outlet line from the dual water valve. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the upper left door hinge cover. Lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. You can now pull out the old water line. To install the new dual valve to door hinge water line, feed the appropriate end through the channel in the top of the cabinet until it protrudes through the hole in the upper liner. Join the dispenser supply line to the new water line and close the clasp to secure. Realign the hinge cover and secure it with the screw. Fully insert the line into the port on the dual valve. Reposition the waterline retaining bracket. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.